Bank Independent has been such a great partner because not only are they taking the stress of the finances off of our plate, but they're investing in us as we're investing in them. And I think that is a strong partnership. The spirit of what Bank Independent does is right there in the name.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Mostly clear to partly cloudy as we head through the rest of the overnight toward daybreak. Now you see morning lows here in the mid 60s printed on the graphic. It's going to be a wide range across the area as we head toward daybreak, ranging anywhere from the upper 50s, lower 60s here as we get towards sunrise across some parts of southern middle Tennessee, especially here Murray, Marshall counties. I could see some 58, 59s. I think it's going to be a couple of degrees cooler than what the Futurecast computer model shows because it's not handling the dry air moving in as fast as it has for the evening hours here. Now, dry air not moving in as fast south of the Tennessee River over North Alabama. So I think there's going to be a wide range anywhere from 58, 59, 60 in the far northeast corner of the viewing area here near Chapel Hill, Tennessee, and east of Columbia, Tennessee and such, through the low to mid 60s in southern middle Tennessee, mid 60s in North Alabama, and then south of the Tennessee River here in North Alabama, it could still be mid to upper 60s as the dry air is taking longer to move in. So there will be a range in forecast lows toward daybreak. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy. I think we're heading up into the upper 80s and lower 90s for the afternoon. And this particular computer model has underdone the high temperatures the past few days. I do think it's doing that again. So I think most of us are closer to the lower 90s because dry air heats and cools more efficiently. And we were already up into the lower 90s today with a little more moisture into the air, and we're going to be mostly sunny with lower dew points around here for our Thursday. So I do expect lower 90s across the area, falling back into the 70s and eventually the 60s overnight Thursday night and Friday morning. Moisture does come back, so we do see a few isolated thunder showers Friday afternoon into Friday night. Not expecting widespread activity, but there may be one or two thunder showers around for Friday night high school football games. But I don't expect widespread major impacts to that. Now, this computer model, the GFS, I've talked about this at 5 and 6 o'clock. It's not face value showing any scattered thunderstorms on Saturday. Other models are showing it, however, and there is a disturbance rolling through here on Saturday. I don't expect widespread activity, but other models showing the activity, us having confidence in the disturbance, and then also the models having a long history so far this summer and even back into the spring of on the days that there is rainfall, they underdo the coverage of it. You add all that thought process together. I do think there will be scattered showers and thunderstorms around on Saturday, even though you don't see them at face value explicitly printed out on this one single map from this one single computer model. Keep in mind, all this is what a computer model simulation thinks the radar will look like on Saturday. It's not a guarantee. It's not the forecast. It's one of many tools that we use to make the forecast. Thunder showers isolated on Sunday. I think the better rain coverage is back toward the Mississippi Valley off to the west of us. We'll have an upper level system dropping into the southern plains Sunday into Monday that starts sliding toward us next week. I think that starts increasing daily rain chances beginning Monday of next week and headed through a large part of the week. Now, I don't yet see any signals for widespread heavy type rain across the area, just daily scattered thunderstorm chances, but they will be increasing next week. There's some potential for some Pacific tropical moisture to be pulled up into that trough and head this way, but there are a lot of question marks in the model data. We'll watch that because it may cause us to need to increase some rain chances next week, but we're not quite confident enough to do that just yet. Lower 90s here through Friday, and then as the upper level ridge we've been dealing with breaks down, and then especially into next week as that upper level trough to our west starts materializing, we'll be seeing daytime highs relaxing back into the mid 80s, especially going into next week, also with the clouds and showers around. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny as we begin our Thursday. As you get that first cup of coffee, keep in mind that 65 is not for everybody. It could be 68 or 69 down toward Phil Campbell and Hartselle and Falkville in North Alabama. It could be 58 or 59 as we get toward Chapel Hill and Lewisburg and east of Columbia in Middle Tennessee. So there will be a range as we head toward daybreak because of the clear skies and The drier air moving in, but not moving in for everybody equally across the area. Mostly sunny, lower 90s for our Thursday. A few isolated afternoon, evening, and overnight thunder showers for Friday. Scattered thunderstorms possible on our Saturday. A few isolated thunder showers Sunday, but the main activity is west of us. And then daily scattered thunder shower chances increase as we head through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, maybe on into a large part of next week. We will monitor to see if we need to raise these rain chances further. There's your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna is checking in with you with your wake-up weather tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.